In our data-driven world, statistics is the language we use to understand massive amounts of information. The importance of data as a critical tool to make informed decisions and predict future trends led us, some young Indonesians, to pursue statistics as a major for promising career in the future. Our group recently discovered hidden but meaningful roles of Kurikulum Merdeka in promoting statistical knowledge in high school education. So, we are Group 7 from Statistics D Class 2025, presenting Is Kurikulum Merdeka's Hidden Statistics Mission in High School Education Effective?
Kurikulum Merdeka brings two critical aspects to this mission. First, high school students are free to choose subject. This helps those that are interested in statistics to choose their preferred subjects such as preferred mathematics. Second, several courses in commerce mathematics are specialized in statistics, like regression analysis and combinatorics at 11th grade math, but also data analysis calculus at 12th grade math. But is this truly beneficial for a statistics student in University Brawijaya, or commerce ambitious intention a double-edged sword?
We conduct a small sample size questionnaire regarding commerce effectiveness to World Statistics Foundation in the career education for 15 statistics students, and we are the result. First, we discovered that 14 out of 15 statistics students are choosing simple mathematics, and then we analyzed 5 mathematics courses in high school, including 2 from Future Math, based on score for their respective effectiveness student statistical knowledge. We discovered that basic statistics, including mean, median, mode, and frequency distribution tables for the high pass with 4.47, followed by combinatoric with 4.33, then calculus with 4.7, and then data analysis with 3.67, and last regression analysis with 3.53.
We also conducted an interview to ask questions about Kurikulum Merdeka. One of the students in the University of Brawijaya who majored in statistics, Hugo Horatio, told us his experience in learning commerce math with positive reception.
Okay, Hugo, when did you put your interest in statistics and decide to choose it as a major in high school?
I became interested in statistics when I was in high school. I like mathematics, but I didn't like physics and chemistry, so I knew that I couldn't enter an engineering major. So I chose statistics because it matched my skills and interests.
What was your experience in choosing subject when you first entered into 11th grade?
When I was in 11th grade, my school used the Kurikulum Merdeka system, so I could choose my own subjects. I chose advanced mathematics, advanced English, and economy. And my school used the fixed class system, so I stayed in the same class for all subjects.
Do you think commerce may have built your foundation into statistics courses in university?
Yes, I think commerce math helped me. It taught me about basic concepts such as probability, mathematics organization, mathematical thinking, which are important in statistics. So it made it easier for me to study statistics in university.
And how is your experience related to the hardest subject in commerce math, like regression analysis?
When I learned about regression analysis, I felt that the material was not too difficult. I even enjoying the learning process. We focusing more about concept and formula, and sometimes we use the calculator to help us with the calculation. Okay, so it was interesting to learn how data can use to make decision.
However, there is a downside regarding Kurmar effectiveness in building a statistic foundation for students. Musa also a statistics student who told us his views about this issue.
What is your experience in learning these statistic-heavy courses in high school math?
Pengalamanku belajar statistika di SMA ini aku temuin di Yang muncul sih baru kayak pengenalan materi aja, kayak statistika deskriptif itu mungkin ada grafik, diagram dan semacamnya. Lalu juga ada 3 pemusatan data, ada main median modus, dan juga yang banyak permutasi kombinasi sih. Untuk analisa regresi sama kombinatorika itu mungkin kita udah belajar kayak semacam basicnya aja, tapi kita nggak tahu kalau itu sebenarnya masuk bab analisa regresi sama kombinatorika, kayak nggak sesuai aja lah sama yang kita pelajari di kuliah.
Do you think there needs to be an improvement in Indonesia's high school curriculum to build student foundation in statistics?
Kalau perbaikan, menurut aku, kalau materinya sih udah oke ya kalau menurut aku, tapi mungkin lebih didalami aja pemahaman teorinya, karena kalau kita SMA kan kita cuma terkesan buat menerapkan rumus buat menyelesaikan soal ya, jadi mungkin menurut aku perlu diperdalam lah pemahaman teorinya.
All aspects considered, Kurikulum Merdeka's intention to bridge high school education to advanced statistics knowledge and is worth a note of appreciation.
However, there are flaws that need to be considered, especially after Indonesia's curriculum has changed, including Kurnas or Kurikulum Nasional. We hope that this ambitious mission is still supported, but with better execution.